the Holy Bible. Zeus, look what you've done. You ate the Bible, bro. You ate the Bible. And you think this is... Mate, you might go to hell, you know. You ate the Bible, bro. You can eat everything else, but not the Bible, bro. The Bible. Dubina. Zeus. You know you can go to hell because of this. Look at that, bro. My Bible, bro. You don't do them things. This is the second one. This is not even the first one. This is the second one. Oh, mate. Well, I can't do anything about it. I'll leave this one to you and God.